Hey there! Welcome to my Culinary Fusion review. Today, I'm diving into an exciting new tool that lets you create and sell high-quality culinary ebooks effortlessly, without any writing, expensive designers, or long hours trying to figure things out. Yep, it really is that simple. Just choose your template, customize it, and you're good to go. Stick around, because I'll also walk you through all the available upgrades, OTOS, so you'll know exactly what to expect before making a decision. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I've spent the last 5 years deep in the world of affiliate marketing, constantly testing tools and strategies so you don't have to. If that sounds helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. I've put together some exclusive bonuses you'll only get through my link below. These are designed to help you get the most out of Culinary Fusion, so check the description and grab them while they're still available. So what is Culinary Fusion? Culinary Fusion is a cloud-based platform that lets you create and sell professional cooking ebooks in just minutes. It's built for food bloggers, chefs, content creators, and anyone who wants to tap into the booming digital recipe market without spending hours on design or writing. No technical skills? No problem. The platform handles everything for you with its drag and drop editor. Whether you're selling recipe books, meal planning guides, or even creating freebies to grow your email list, Culinary Fusion makes it fast, easy, and fun. Just to be clear, this isn't a get-rich-quick gimmick. Culinary Fusion gives you the tools and training, but your success depends on how much effort you put in. If you're ready to hustle, this could be a game changer for you. Features that impressed me. Here are some features that really impressed me. Checkmark instant ebook creation. Choose a template, fill in your details, and your ebook is ready to go. User-friendly. No coding or design skills needed. Just drag and drop. Built-in templates. Ready-made templates to help you create stunning, professional-looking ebooks quickly. Completely cloud-based. Access it from anywhere, no software to install, and zero compatibility issues. Multiple monetization options. Sell your ebooks, offer them as bonuses, or even use them as lead magnets to build your email list. How it works. Quick demo walkthrough. Here's how Culinary Fusion works. 1. Login and start a new project. 2. Enter your ebook name, logo, and recipe details. 3. Hit publish and start selling or sharing your ebook anywhere. Amazon KDP, your website, or social media. Seriously, it's that easy. No need for any tech skills, and the built-in training takes you through everything step by step. Upgrades. Autos. What's on offer? When you grab the main product, you'll have the chance to unlock some powerful upgrades. Here's a quick look. Pro version unlocks premium features and removes usage limits. Perfect if you want to take things to the next level. Done for you setup. Skip the work. They'll build everything for you so you can start selling fast. AI recipe creation. Let AI help you generate recipe content and meal plans with ease. Graphics and e-covers. Create stunning ebook covers and images to make your products look professional. Chrome plugin builder. Want to create and sell Chrome extensions in the culinary space? This upgrade has you covered. Reseller rights. Keep 100% profits by reselling Culinary Fusion under your own brand. Choose the upgrades that align with your goals and skip the ones you don't need. Why I recommend Culinary Fusion. Here's why I highly recommend Culinary Fusion. Beginner friendly, no tech overwhelm, just templates and easy customization. Time saving. Automates the process and helps you get your ebook live fast. Flexible monetization. Sell your ebooks, grow your list, or even create bonus products to enhance your affiliate offers. While Culinary Fusion is super powerful, it's not a replacement for professional designers if you need highly custom work. But for most marketers, bloggers, and online entrepreneurs, this platform is more than enough. Final thoughts. Should you get it? So should you grab Culinary Fusion? If you're looking to create high-quality culinary ebooks without the hassle of writing from scratch, hiring designers, or dealing with complex software, then yes, this is a smart, affordable, and scalable solution for you. Hit the link in the description to grab Culinary Fusion now, and don't forget, my exclusive bonuses are waiting for you. Thanks for tuning into my Culinary Fusion review. If you found it helpful, smash that like button, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more no-fluff reviews and insider tips. See you in the next video.